I keep trying to print this stuff, and this one here, for some reason the filament sensor keeps saying there's no filament in it. I've taken it apart and tested it. It looks fine, but anyway, yeah, some reason it thinks something's wrong. I don't know if it's the wires in here. I don't know, but this happens all the time. In the middle of a print, and it says you'll look at it and it'll say it'll load the filament, and you'll notice the light's not on this. Like this one here has a light on it. So anyway, I'm trying to print this really fast with this crazy looking stuff. And hopefully it'll stay put. Added support this time. Flipped one of the eggs upside down. We're averaging 250 when it goes really fast. But I was having bed adhesion issues, so I had to recalibrate the Z offset again. So I think maybe I might remove these and put the solid spacers in there, because I feel like maybe something's changing and I'm getting tired of screwing around with it.